feel like I'm alone in this bitch. Tit for tat, I got your back, was I wrong for that shit? Tell me, is we too grown for that shit? I wanna lock it in, baby, no way in my options. Wanna travel, see the world, getting drunk on the island. Wanna settle, start a family, so tell me about it. And you so perfect, baby, don't get nobody that body. Social anxiety, I feel, and I done been this way for some years. I don't really get along with my peers. Everything that they do to me is weird. So, in a world full of weirdos, fools and scrubs, tell me what is it you're willing to do for love? You know it's true that the dating pool is fucked. Ain't nobody out here, baby, it just me. And I know, and I know, and I know, and I know a broken heart when I see one. And I feel, and I feel, and I feel, and I feel like a love.